Now in the chapter of linear graph and simultaneous equation, let's take a look at checkpoint 1.3 part B to actually look at substitution method. Alright, now in the right hand side column, this box is actually for you to write your different steps. Okay, so now we are looking at the left hand side problem when I'm actually doing and solving all the different steps. Okay, so first I want you to actually identify which is the 1 and which is your 2. Okay, it does not have to be in either order, either one is fine. Alright, so what I'll do is I'll pick the one that is slightly easier. So I'll take from 2. Okay, I'll have 2x plus 13 equals to 3y. Why? Because I don't want to have negative terms. So I want to bring the negative over to the other side to give me a positive term. Okay, so I'll have 2x plus 13 divided by 3. Alright, so I'll name this as part 3. And then I'll substitute part 3 into part 1. Okay, so you will have 2x plus 27 plus 8y, which is 2x plus 13 over 3 to give you 0. Okay, now, important things for you to take note here. Now, for 8, you only multiply by 2x plus 13. Do not take 8 multiplied by 3. That's wrong. Okay, so therefore, alright, I'll just copy this down. I would have 8 multiplied by 2x plus 13 over 3 equals 0. Okay, so what do? I'll actually make 3 the common denominator. So I'll multiply by 3 throughout, alright, to give me what? To give me 21x plus 81 plus 16x plus 104. Okay, and once I make the common denominator throughout, you realize I can actually cross multiply because 3 times 0 equals to 0, right? So I'll combine the factors together. I should get 37x, okay, plus 185 equals to 0. And this gives me 37x equals to negative 185, of which, if I take negative 185 divided by 3, I should be getting negative 5. Okay, so once I'm done, alright, I'll substitute this x minus negative 5 into 2, okay, alright, sorry, into 3, because y3 is a lot easier. So I'll take y equals to 2, negative 5 plus 13 over 3. Okay, so therefore my answer here will be 1. Alright, now you can actually check your calculator. Okay, so use the method that I've taught you above, okay, using the calculator screenshots, to double check if, let's say, your x and y is correct. Now remember, please remember to position your your different terms and different coefficients according to what the calculator is asking for, because the calculator is asking for a, b, and then equal to c. So you make sure you put in 7, okay, put in this x, this y, right? Put in 7, 8, negative 27, as well as 2, negative 3, and negative 13. Then you'll be able to get x and y value correctly. Okay, so now let's move on to the right hand side where I'm actually going through the different steps. So you will label, okay, each expression is either 1 or 2. Alright, then you will find easier expression and then you make the subject. Okay, either make x or make y the subject, yeah, perfectly fine. Then you will substitute this easier term from part 2, okay, to the other expression. So for example, let's say I take from 2, I will sub it into 1. Okay, so you will do substitution. And then after working it out, alright, I should get a x equals to, or for example, y equals to, I'll take this value from 3 to substitute into the other one. For example, you have 3 over here. So substitute into 3, the equation. Okay, then finally you will get your answer. So maybe I'll add one more step for you to actually go and check your answer using a calculator. That shouldn't take too long. Alright, there is also another way. If you are a little bit confused what are the steps to do your calculator, just sub x, okay, negative 5 into your equation. So for example, okay, I should have 7 multiplied by negative 5 plus 27 plus 8 times 1 to give me 0. Do you get 0? Okay, or you can take 2, negative 5 minus away 3. Okay, then you have 1 plus 13. Does that give you 0? If it gives you 0 in your calculator, you're perfectly correct. Okay?